Used to be dark, I ain't have no light. Made a lot of wrongs to get it right. Feel like I was struck.
What up, Nightmare Phantom here, back in another video. Unless I'm doing this on Baby Yerbo. But whatever you want, you call me Yerbo, Phantom, anything. I'm wearing a duck that says stay happy. It says happy. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see it, but it says happy. Anyway, if you haven't figured out by now, I'm doing an Assassin's Creed tier list, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna do this. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna do it some way or another. Actually, I'm gonna just start with the ones I've actually played and enjoyed. So I'm gonna put AC2 up here. It's goated. You say it's not goated, you're just wrong. Just saying. Best game ever. No discussion. Alright, I'm probably only just saying that because it's the only one I actually completely beat, or the first one I actually beat. First one I played though was either 1 or 3. But speaking of 1, I'm gonna give it like a B, because it's like it's not the best, but it's not the worst, you know. I'd say that probably because it's like the first one out. Yeah, I'm gonna give it an A. Cause like for the first of its kind, it was actually pretty decent, but it's not terrible. And 3, yeah, 3 is getting a C. Although it was one of the ones I enjoyed at first, after I played the other ones, that game looked like trash. And like recently, like in 2022, I started playing the remastered version for it. Not the best. But Assassin's Creed Liberation, okay, yeah, that's technically AC3, but at the same time it's not, you know what I'm saying? So like, I'm gonna give it a B. Female protagonist, okay. It's still a good game. But I played the demo on the 360 a whole lot. In fact, I played it more than I played AC2. And I beat AC2. And I'm halfway done with it on my PC now. So like, yeah, we ain't even gonna talk about that one. Odyssey, I'm also gonna give it a B because like, I put it like, it's basically the same as Valhalla, and like, I'm not that big of a fan of Valhalla, you know. Like if they put Valhalla on this list, I would put it like right here or something, you know what I'm saying? Now, for Unity, it depends on if you're talking about on mobile or console. Like, I don't know if y'all knew this, but like, long time ago, Unity was on mobile, and it was just trash. But what do you expect from a mobile game, you know? So I'm gonna put this like, cause for the console, it was okay. Hold up, let me do a little bit of research before I put that anywhere. Boom. Boom. I'll drop something, I'll be right back. So yeah, I just googled it. It is on console. I was just trying to make sure that I wasn't dumb. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put Unity like I might put it with 3. This is trash water. Okay, I'm not even gonna. Assassin's Creed 4. It's dookie. It's dookie. Now Revelations. I'll give that a A. It's like the gameplay felt like 1, but it also was its own gameplay, you know? Like obviously it would feel like 1 because it came out in the same era. I'm not good at English. It came out in the same era, unlike Valhalla, Odyssey, and Origins. You know what I'm saying? It's like they had a different eras, like different upgrade stuff. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause Revelations was still on PS3 and just started on PS4. And like later years, Origins, Odyssey, Valhalla, those came out. That's going way in the past, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like Valhalla is up there with Ghost of Tsushima. Yeah. Like, I'm not saying on the tier list, but like, in time. Brotherhood. I'm gonna give it a C. Not B. I personally never played it, but I heard from my friend who's beat literally every single Assassin's Creed game that it was pretty good. And like, if you saying that's pretty good compared to Black Flag, I don't know. And if you're saying it's pretty good compared to 2, like, I've never played the online mode, so I'm gonna say I'm gonna give it a D. Nah, C. See, the customization in the game is pretty fun. Now, for Origins, I'm not a fan of Origins. Syndicate. Those two belong together. They're one in the same game, so what can I say? Yeah, I genuinely think that this is how it should be. If you want to voice your opinion, go ahead. Comment section is all for you. It'd be crazy if I liked it. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's been Baby Yerbo, Fire Stavy, Fake Phantom, Nightmare Phantom, Madman 980, any other username I've gone by, and I'm out. Peace.